Hello friends, this is Sulema here and the Samsung just announced the Galaxy S9. So let's take a first look on it. The design of the Samsung Galaxy S9 is just awesome and open up your view with this grand edge-to-edge display that fits comfortably in your hand. It goes over the side for a sight that seems boundless with minimal visual distractions. The Samsung Galaxy S9 has 570 pixel per inch and S9 Plus have 529 pixel per inch display. The S9 has 18.5:9 display ratio gives you cinematic view, while the stereo speakers tuned by AKG and enhanced with Dolby offer pure surround sound. The screen and bezel blend together to form a seamless design. Meanwhile, the iris scanner is hidden away with the upper bezel to highlight the infinity display. The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus have beautiful design that made to fit comfortably in your hand. The camera sits flush with the back for the smooth surface, while the fingerprint sensor is ergonomically placed to let you to unlock with one ease move. What's inside the box? The box contains a wall charger, data cable, OTG connector, SIM ejector tool, AKG headphones, extra earbuds, and one back case. Coming to the performance, here the action crisper and louder on stereo speakers tuned by AKG. They offer pure sound that 1.4 into more powerful than previous Galaxy phones. Dolby Atmos, a new dimension of audio has arrived. Dolby Atmos surround view with 3-dimensional sound, putting you at the center of a theater-like experience. Protect your sensitive data from prying eyes with the security of Samsung Knox. It's built into the phone from the chip up to make Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus secure to the core. Water and dust resistant. Don't be afraid to go out and get wet. Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus have an IP68 rating, meaning you don't have to stop texting or taking photos on account of rain. The rating of IP68 based on a test condition for submersion in up to 1.5 meter of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. Wireless charging. Don't fumble with the charging cables when you need to recharge. Place your phone on a wireless charger to power up with ease, and because it props up your phone at a comfortable angle, you can keep streaming and texting. AP and RAM. Get your game on, watch a tutorial, or text while streaming the playoff. Whatever you do, it done fluidly and quickly with the powerful mobile processor and RAM combination. You can expand memory when you need more storage for all those photos and files. Simply insert a micro SD card up to 400 GB extra space. Wi-Fi and LTE. Say goodbye to buffering. Thanks to LTE speed up to 1.2 GB per second, you will download quickly and watch live streams smoothly. Samsung DeX. For a desktop-like experience, turn your Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus into a touchpad by connecting it to a DeXpad and a monitor. Access the photos and files on your phone as well as check email, surf the internet and more on a full-size screen. Next, coming to the camera specs, the camera takes the beautiful photos in a different kinds of light. Take photos without thinking, no matter the time of day. With the 2 f-stop mode, the category defining dual aperture adapt to bright light and super low light automatically, like the human eye, and you can flex artistic side toggling the aperture to create a mode. f1.5 aperture mode. If it's dark, the lens open to f1.5 mode to pull in light for a bright and clear photo. f2.4 aperture mode. In the daylight, the lens shifts to f2.4 mode to help your picture come out sharp. Low light photos with noise reduction. Capture your nighttime adventures with stunning clarity with the f1.5 aperture mode and multi-frame noise reduction. The rear camera ensures the photos you take in the dark come out clear and bright. No fine-tuning is required. Super slow motion. Shoot at incredible speed 960 frames per second. Thanks to the super speed sensor, show off your directional skills by adding super slow motion burst to a video or spotlighting one moment. Easy sharing. Create captivating super slow motion videos to share with your friends. Add a music to your video with a random selection from preloaded choice or use a song from your own playlist. You can also make it gift with 3 styles of looping, reverse, forward or swing. Live focus with the bokeh filters. Your portrait will pop when you bring face to the front with the live focus. Then use the bokeh filters to turn background lights into shapes, adding sparkle to the scene. Coming to the augmented reality AR emoji. Turn your selfie into an emoji and watch your message come alive. Create an animated version of yourself that show off the inner you. Then add a personal touch to your message with an emoji that follows your movement and expressions. Animated AR emoji. Be the star of the next animated hit. Record video with your emoji talking, singing or whatever you feel like doing. Then share it with your friends. So that's the Samsung Galaxy S9. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please smash that like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.